subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Noise ColorFit Pro 3 Assist has a 1.55-inch TFT LCD display with 320 by 360 pixels. It is a touchscreen display with a full color panel. Smartwatch supports a built-in Alexa voice assistant for performing quick tasks. It comes with 14 sports modes and has multiple tracking modes. Tracking modes include sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, auto blood oxygen monitoring, and a heart rate monitor. Smartwatch has a physical button on the right side for navigating throughout the smartwatch. It has multiple watch faces which can be tuned via the smartwatch's app. It can be paired with Android and iOS devices with the help of the Noise Fit Assist app. Noise Buds VS103 is a pair of TWS earbuds that comes powered by 10mm drivers. Buds boast a plastic built that has touch controls for controlling music, answering, disconnecting calls, and activating voice assistant. Earbuds come with HyperSync technology for easy pairing with smartphones. It has a battery that is claimed to last for up to 18 hours with the help of a charging case. For charging, it has a USB Type-C port. It supports IPX5 sweatproof rating, meaning that you can use them while working out or while performing sports. Noise ColorFit Pro 3 Assist is currently priced at $54 and the Noise Buds VS103 costs $21. These are the introductory prices. Once the introductory period is over, it will be available for original $81 and $40 pricing respectively.